If you like our content, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get alerts when we introduce new videos. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to rename wireless clients using the Unleashed mobile app. Unleashed collects client host names from the client's operating system and displays them in client list, tables, and charts on the web interface. However, the host names provided by the OS are often not very useful in identifying clients on the network, especially IoT headless devices, which can be very cryptic and hard to identify. This is a feature that allows the administrator to create aliases for clients for easier identification. And as a note, the maximum number of marked clients is 520. So from the Unleashed dashboard, you can see that I have a total of 2 WLANs. If I tap on the client circle, that'll bring me up the clients that we have, and we have a total of 8 clients. Now you notice we have one client down here called Living Room. Now I happen to know what that is, and I want to rename that as an alias, so I'm going to tap on that, and that'll bring up this menu, and if I tap on the pencil in the upper left, it'll allow me to create an alias. Now I happen to know that that is a Roku TV controller, so I'm going to type in Roku TV, and then I'm going to tap on Save. So you notice here it says Roku TV. Let's go back a screen. And now you can see that we've changed the name to Roku TV in my client list. So if I had hundreds of clients and I wanted to search on clients, it's easier to search on an alias than it is on a cryptic MAC address or a cryptic name. If I wanted to change that back to the original device name, I could tap on the pencil again. I could erase the name and just type save. And it says, do you want to remove the client alias? Yep. I want to do that, so I'll tap on yes. Now it says living room again, which is the device name. And if I go back a screen, now you can see that the living room device name is assigned to that. By the way, when you change the device name to an alias, the device name is still in the database. And you can't see it from the mobile app, but if you use the Unleashed browser user interface, you can see both the device and the alias. So I want to point out one other thing. If I tap on that living room client and I tap on the star, that'll mark this client as a favorite client. So then if I go back and tap back, you can see that that star is by that client. And one of the reasons I may want to do this is if I'm having a particular problem with that client, or maybe I suspect that that might be a rogue client, or I'm a little suspicious about that client, I can go ahead and make that a favorite client. And that way when that client goes offline, I'll be notified, or when it comes back online, I'll be notified. If I want to remove that favorite, I just go back and I untap the star, and then I could go back and look at my clients and notice that the star has gone away. One other thing I want to mention is that when you have renamed a total of 520 clients, Unleashed will delete the oldest rename offline stations, 10 stations at a time, and trigger an alarm event to indicate the renamed stations have been deleted. So as you can see, it's easy to rename wireless clients for simpler identification using the Unleashed mobile app.